This is the brief on the new Netflix war drama, Operation Safed Sagar. Okay, so Netflix India, they've just dropped the first look at what honestly seems like their most ambitious war project yet. It's going to chronicle India's incredibly daring, high-altitude air mission back in the 1999 Kargil War. Right. Let's get into what you really need to know about this series. Three main things. First, it dives right into the real-life Indian Air Force Operation Safed Sagar. Now, this wasn't just any mission, okay? The IAF was pushing jets like the MiG-21 and Mirage 2000 way up there, higher than enemy ground defenses could effectively operate. It was a seriously high-risk gamble, you know? It pushed pilots to their absolute edge and basically changed the game for air warfare and mountainous terrain. Nobody had really done combat missions like that before. Second, the cast looks pretty stellar, and it seems focused on the bravery and brotherhood of the pilots. You've got Siddharth playing a determined squadron leader, and the great Jimmy Shergill is there as a senior officer guiding the mission. They're joined by some younger actors too, really digging into that emotional strain and courage. And finally, they're aiming for some major authenticity with the production. It's directed by Oni-sen, who did Asur, and here's the kicker. They collaborated officially with the Indian Air Force itself. That's a big deal. It means we should see authentic aircraft, real bases, genuine technical details, stuff that's pretty rare to see done this accurately on screen in India. So expect a high adrenaline, historically grounded look at the Kargil War, really giving a nod to those IAF heroes who redefined courage way up in the skies.